Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat error. So if you're trying to add friends on your Snapchat account and you're facing these too many friends on your Snapchat account error, follow these easy steps to easily fix this error. So first of all, if you're having trouble adding friends on your Snapchat account, make sure you are using a strong network. If you're trying to add friends on your Snapchat account and you're using a very poor internet connection, it may be the reason of you are not unable to send or add friends on your Snapchat account. So must use a strong internet and then check the issue. And now, and please note, Snapchat accounts are limited to having 6,000 friends at a time. However, there is no limit to how many people can add you. So if you reached 6,000 friends on your Snapchat account, then you won't be able to add new friend on your Snapchat account. In this case, you have to unfriend or remove some friends from your Snapchat profile. So go to your Snapchat profile and scroll down, tap on my friends, and here you have to remove all friends you don't need in your Snapchat account. So all you have to do is tap and hold on the account, tap on manage friendship, tap on manage friendship, and tap on remove friend, and that's how you have to remove those friends you don't need in your profile. So follow these easy steps, and if this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.